Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back with a live trade. This time I sold the pound Swiss, 6 lots, my usual for my account. I like doing 6 lots. I took the trade right here on this. This was a trigger. Let me see where the trigger was. This was the candle that I got in on. Right here, give or take a minute. The meter was telling me pound Swiss, sell the pound, buy the Swiss. Took the trade about 15 or 20 minutes ago, 5, 10, 15, about 15, 17 minutes ago. It's on February the 27th, and it was at 14:15, 51, which is 7. Around 7:50 in the morning, between 6 and 7, I'm in front of the computer looking for a trade. According to my pit trigger rules, I have a 20 pip stop as up here, and a 20 pip target, which is right here. It's coming close to my target. Probably adjust it because it's so strong at the moment. Might be able to get more than 20 pips. Pound Swiss. Could have done the pound yen too. But the pound Swiss looked a little bit better. The ADR on the pound Swiss is 93 pips. Today went 63. Still has a bit more. It can easily go down to this point. How many more pips is that? 36 pips. 20 pip stop. 20 pip target, which I probably am going to adjust a little bit as the trade is moving along. That was my auto stop. It does it automatically. This, I don't need it this high anymore. So I can move this down to the first pivot high right there. This could easily do a bit of a pullback up and then hook around and break the bottom. All we can do is sit and wait and see what's going to happen. But it's either the pound dollar was also a good pair to do. But I picked a pound Swiss. Got in according to my rules. Different triggers. Original trigger was right here. After it made a move, I just wait for it to come closer to the moving averages, and then you can get in again. This general area, exactly where I got in. I'm up over $400 at the moment. I could have either managed it, but we shall see. The market's just going to do a bit of a push up, hook around somewhere right around here. After thousands and thousands of hours, you begin to understand how the market moves. It'll go up a little bit, hook around, hook down, and it should break the bottom. I'll report back shortly. Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back. I was not expecting this big of a pullback, so I had to change my way of thinking. I knew that once it get around this area right in here of resistance, and when I saw doji after spinning top, I saw a lot of hesitation candles. I saw a lot of wicks in here. My 20 pip is still holding. From this entry, 20 pips is still holding. I was up about 15 pips. I should have started managing it, but I thought it was going to keep going down and it would have hit my 20 pips. But I saw that once it went around, stalling out, I decided to add to my sell trade. And as you can see down here, each trade is profitable. And this time I'm going to manage it like when I get around 10 pips. 10 to 20 pips, I'm going to start managing it. As soon as I find where 10 pips is, it's right about here. So that's what I'm going to do, is start managing it around 10 pips. Let's see if that's correct. Got too many things running on my computer. Things are going slow here. Let's see what that is. That's 12 pips. Too much. Rex Nelson is back, and I decided to close the 2 trades I had running. Pound Swiss. I added to it when I went back up here, if you remember. I got in here originally with a 20 pip, I had a 20 pip stop and a 20 pip target. It never did hit my stop. It went back up, hooked around. I added to it again. Originally got in right here. 20, there's 20, and there's 20. I kept a 20 pip stop, and I was going to start managing it at 10 pips right here at this line, but unfortunately, and it's still struggling here to do anything, so I closed them both out profitably. You cannot lose if you close out your trades, even if it's just a small profit. So one of them was, let me see, one of them was 10 pips and the other one was like 1 pip. Not a lot, but it still worked out to almost around $800. So it is what it is. Still good trading. And I didn't like that it wasn't breaking this bottom here, this bottom support, so I decided I couldn't even get to this line, so I decided to close it out before I end up turning a winning trade into a losing trade. Even though the meter sell the pound, the Swiss is very weak. It would move better if the Swiss was higher up. You know, that's just the way the market is. You take what you can get. So anyhow, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're interested in the pip trigger and all of these custom indicators, they're not available on the web. They've all been modified for my pip trigger and to make the pip trigger work better. So if you want the pip trigger, give me a shout and we can discuss it more so. Okay, until the next trade, happy trading. Bye for now.